Okay, this is my first time experiencing this. The LA wildfires are going on right now, and our lights just went out. But fortunately, I was coming out here because my batteries just got to 100%, and I was about to unplug the F-150. I was about to unplug the F-150. And then I noticed that, oh, the lights are out in the neighborhood, except over there, you see some lights. But, all the lights are out. Yeah. And it's because of wind out here. But I just plugged in I was coming out here to unplug my truck, I'm sorry. Unplug my truck because the batteries are they're at 99%, but they were at 100%. And this is, I'd let it run overnight anyway, just like this, and with everything that's on right now. But you can see the yellow box shows that the grid is out. Batteries are at 99%. We're only using 1.37 kilowatts in the house. The light bulb represents the house, but and it's amazing just to be able to have lights during a time like this. I don't know if you can see those palm trees, the wind blowing. It's oh man, it's yeah. Anyway, there you go.